Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hannah Beauty Glams. On this video I will be showing you guys how I make this beautiful and simple makeup. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Okay, as you do so, may God bless you. Alright guys, stay tuned, keep watching. See you guys later. Bye. So I'm going to use this soap to brush my brows. So I just want to lay it down so that it will be very easy for me to line. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just lining my brows. I'm lining it without pressure. I'm just doing it a little bit, okay, so that it will look a little bit, presentable. Yeah, so as you can see, because of the soap, it's very easy for me to line. Okay guys, so as you can see at the down, I started it from the beginning, so at the top I give it a little bit of space. So this is the way I'm filling it in. So you don't have to fill it in with too much pressure. You just have to be doing it a little bit. It depends on the way you want it to be. Okay, so this is the way I'm just filling it in. Okay, so it depends on the way you want it to be. If you want it to be darker than this, yeah, you can just be shading it like that. So on this video I will be using foundation instead of concealer. Okay, I just use this method because of beginners. This is the brush I will be using, very flat brush. So I will just take a little bit of it, apply it, like draw it like a straight line, then I'll start dragging it down. Okay, I'll just start dragging it down so that it will be very, to look good. So this is the palette I will be using, the dark and the light brown. So I will be combining the both of them together. As you can see, this is the fluffy brush I'm using. I just applied the eyeshadow, then just blend it in. Okay, just blend it in, blend it out, blend it in, blend it out. So I apply it at my crease area. I'm just blending it in, blending it out, blending it in, blending it out. So I will be using color black at the edge of my crease. So I'll be using the color black. Okay, I don't want the black to be that dark, so I just want it to be like a little bit of brown and black. So guys, I'm cutting my crease now. So as you can see, I'm not that good in cutting crease, but I'm still trying, I'm still learning. So I still use the same flat brush I use in cleaning my brows. So I still use the same flat brush to cut my crease. I just apply the concealer a little bit, then start dragging it down, start applying it around my crease. So as you can see, at the end I use my hand to mash it down with the black. So I'll be using the color green. I'll be using the green eyeshadow color. So guys, I will just clean out the excess fallout of the eyeshadow so that I can apply my primer and my foundation. So this is the primer I'm using. It's matte primer. It's very nice. Okay, so I will just apply it like this, then use my hand to rub it, then I will apply my foundation. So this is the foundation I will be using. 80 Skin Miracle foundation. It's very nice. So guys, as you can see, I'm just patting in the foundation with my brush. So you can also use your beauty blender. All you need to do is just pat it, okay? You don't have to drag it, you don't have to like rub it like cream. You just have to be patting it into your skin. So now I'm just blending in my concealer. Just have to blend everything about makeup is blending. Just blend. Okay guys, this is the finishing look. How do I look? Yeah, I tried, I'm not a perfectionist, I'm still learning, so I'm not a professional makeup artist. Okay, so I'm just a beginner. Okay guys, I tried. I look beautiful. I know you don't have to tell me. I know that I'm beautiful. Okay. All right guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell in case I upload a new video, so you will be the first person to be notified. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Put your comments down at the comment section. All right guys, bye. Love you. Bye bye.